Kate had so much to say today. What were you just saying? You wait until I'm recording and then you stop, don't you? What do you see? Yeah? Yeah, what does that mean? What does that mean in baby talk? Does that mean I want a cookie? Does that mean I like my playmat? Does it mean I want a tickle? It means one of those things. Does it mean I want to go swimming? Does it mean I've had enough of your silly video taping me? It can mean a lot of things. It all means I'm a wiggle worm. Oh, spit up. Gotta go.